Alright, good morning fam. Today I am moving back to school. Jake is...
Ma'am, no vlogging while driving.
Well, I'm at a stoplight. We're okay. Anyway, we have a few missions to accomplish before that, so I'm gonna take you guys with me because why not? It's fun. So we're going to Chick-fil-A to get food. Sorry for the clicking sound. It's my blinker. And then I have to return some Zara jeans that I got because I saw them on TikTok and they're too small, so I have to return them. And then we have to get gas because my car needs some fuel as well. So that is the plan. Gizmo's coming with us. Jake is gonna help me vlog because I'm driving. And yeah, that's what we're doing. We're at Chick-fil-A now. Yeah, I got chicken minis because who doesn't love chicken minis? Gizmo is blocking the camera view right now. She's not gonna be happy when I leave and I
Yeah, she's gonna be upset tonight.
I can't look at her in the face. Give me the camera. Wait, how am I supposed to look this in the face and tell her I have to go back to school? How am I supposed to do that? Gizmo, the Chick-fil-A worker is not coming to see you, I'm sorry. They usually give her a treat here, so that's what she's expecting, but I have news for her. She's probably not gonna get one from them today.
That's not nice.
Well, it's because they're with COVID and stuff, they haven't been giving them out as much. We got the goods. Jake, oh hi Gizmo. Jake betrayed us and got a biscuit.
How is that betrayal?
Because you can't betray the Chicken Mini Club. Gizmo, you want some gas? What kind you want? They got 87, 89, and 93. What kind you want? Thank you.
Stay here. Gizmo, no.
We gonna have to go inside. It's too thick. Alright guys, we got all packed up and we're headed to school now. Yeah, I guess we'll update maybe a little bit along the way if Jake feels like it.
No, I'm not gonna feel like it.
Okay, well, I guess I'll see you at school then. Alright, we finally made it into my dorm with all my stuff. That was literally insane. They give you so much help and stuff when you move in, but when you move back in from break, you get nothing. Oh my gosh, that took forever. You like my water army for my humidifier?
That's just a little bit of water. May need some more.
I think so. We're still unpacking, obviously. My dad went to get a different curtain rod because my curtain rod was too big to fit my leg. And he's giving us Chick-fil-A because we haven't had lunch yet and it's like 3 o'clock. Jake is gonna occupy the vlog while I'm putting stuff away. He's gonna be the vlogger.
So what, you just want me to record you?
Yeah, you can vlog whatever you want.
Whatever I want?
Yep.
So I can vlog myself if I wanted to?
Yep.
Psych, I don't want to vlog myself.
Well, I figured that's why I said yeah.
Oh. Look at all those chickens. You got a pretty cool wall. I'm not gonna lie. It's 10 out of 10. What if you just filled up like all of your wall with pictures? So the whole wall, the whole room, like your side. So like your roommate's half is like over here. So like right to here, you would just do pictures all around your room.
I think that would look really cool.
I think that would be cool. I think you should do it. I'll fund that project.
You will?
Yeah.
Okay, so just ship them to here.
Yeah. Okay. But it has to be my pictures of my choice.
Oh, so what are they gonna be?
They may all be of me and then memes. Yeah.
Okay.
It'd be a few of me and then memes.
If they're memes, I'll allow it. It's really embarrassing because like usually with Ben, we could take it up and there's not that many people who and when their mom's mom was down there and they all had to see all my stuff, okay? And so they probably think I'm freaking Kim Kardashian West and have a giant closet. But guys, I literally brought home all my stuff because I switched stuff out and I had to film videos. They don't know it's my career, okay? It was embarrassing.
Dang, man.
And my feminine products all out on the floor out there. It's really embarrassing and I'm not gonna be okay. They also my Baby Yoda stuffed animal collection.
Listen, there's no shame in that.
I'm never gonna financially recover from this. When were you gonna tell me there's a giant zit on my chin?
I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, I have a task for you.
What?
If you could put the toilet paper in the basket so it looks fancy.
Okay.
Thank you.
I mean in this this basket, right?
There's only one basket in there.
Well, I mean there's 2. There's one right there too.
What?
Right there too.
That's a trash can.
That's where you belong. Hey Faith, is this fancy enough for you? Where'd you go? Oh, is it fancy enough for you?
Fancy. Yeah.
Like a good job. Look, you see how they're stacked? Look, it's like opposite pattern.
You did exactly how I do it. It's almost like we're connected.
Oh,
We're going on a mission.
to where?
We have to wash my sheets because I didn't wash them before I left. So your finger is bleeding.
Oh, it's dried up.
It's because you be.
Is that all you have to do? You just squirt that stuff on it?
And then you swipe this, and you gotta check your number, pay the total, and watch this. And I'll be back in 30 minutes.
Is Paul Blart still down there?
Paul Blart?
Yeah, it's Paul Blart.
He yelled at me.
Is he still protecting the front?
Wait, show him.
This man, I don't know if you can see it. You can see it. This man has not left the front of the building since we got here.
Yeah, because me and my dad parked kind of close because there was no more parking spaces and we got in trouble. And I was like, oh, what were we supposed to do?
Whoa.
I know he's blocking
Watch your profanity.
Like, is that really their main concern? Apparently it is. Well, I took my pillowcase out. It has all this nasty stuff on it. College life. This happens all the time. Now I have to pay just to wash that. So yesterday me and Jake went to Trader Joe's and I got me a new little pet. His name is Steve and I want you guys to meet him because he's very special to me. Yes, he's named after Steve from Stranger Things. This is Steve. He's a cute little cacti. Yes, this is real. I'm going to try my best to keep it alive, but it's in this cute little wooden container. And hopefully Steve stays alive. Jake, you think you will?
I mean, you sound very confident. You said try my best that I'm going to keep him alive. So.
Well, it's just that every single time I've gotten something like a plant, it always dies. So I'm determined to keep Steve alive. I'm gonna ask for some help, so Steve might have some godparents. Because I just don't know if I can handle this journey on my own. And gosh, this zit on my chin has just appeared out of nowhere and it's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Here in my garage.
We're a new Lamborghini.
So we finished everything, showed my bed, I cleaned my sheets. Look how pretty it looks with baby Yoda.
Oh wow, dude.
Look at that. These are my new additions. I have a new lamp and a new diffuser.
I think your best addition is Steve.
Yeah, I think Steve really makes it. And then we hung up my nice curtain. Wait, show him from the other side. Yeah, just use my bathroom. I let him do that. It was a minor fee, but it's a nice little curtain. And yeah, this is my dorm now. So now they're gonna leave and go back to my puppy. We're waiting for my dad to come back to pick us up, and then we're gonna go get my packages at the post office, and then Jake's gonna leave.
Yeah,
so
we're
is my
finally
dad.
gonna get rid of you.
Yep. After 2 months, they're gonna get rid of me. Every time I go to film, this happens. Hey Jake, now's your chance to ride a bird scooter. Do it.
I thought, is it free?
No.
No.
Okay. They have a NOS button on them. Yeah, bro. I can't tell you where it is though. It's a secret. I can't tell them. Like, only like, it's a secret. Okay, so they just left and I opened my packages up, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, so first thing I got, this is something that I ordered a few days ago from Forever 21. I saw this on TikTok and it's this really cute like polka dot mesh dress. So I'm really excited to wear this and style it. I think it's just really cute. Yeah, it's something I didn't have. It has a really cool like tie back and it was really inexpensive. So I'm so hyped to wear this. And then SHEIN sent me some clothes to try on and review for you guys. I'm really excited. I have 6 pieces here and I'm gonna try them on and let you know my thoughts and opinions on them. Okay, so the first thing I got, I haven't unboxed these yet, so this is like my live react. This is really soft, holy crap. Got this really cute like light brown daisy printed cardigan, and to my surprise it's really soft, so I'm so excited to wear this. I just thought the daisy's really cute. It reminded me of Tyler the Creator. I think sweaters are so cute and I don't have a lot of them, so I'm excited to style this. Next thing I got is a little tank top. Kind of looks like a different color than what I originally had thought it was gonna be, but it's still really cute. It's like a basic kind of rusty brown color and it ties on the bottom so you can like shrink it up on the side, which I think is really cute because it just adds a little flair. It feels like really nice fabric. It's not like tank top material, it's more of like a kind of feels like a sports material. It's like a stretchy sports material. Next I got a pair of jeans. So these are supposed to be a dupe for these like, I think they're like Alexander Wang jeans that like Kylie Jenner wore, and I thought they were really cute. So they're split. Oh, these are cute. Holy crap. Okay, so they're like split denim. So like one side is denim and then the other side is black, which I think is really cool. And then at the bottom, they have the little bungee things. That's what I call them. So you can like tighten them to make them scrunched up. Like these jeans are honestly such good quality. I was not expecting that. Next thing that I got is a cute top. I've seen this top a lot. Like a lot of people get this from SHEIN, however you say it. This is what it looks like. It's a brown tie-dyed long sleeve top. It has like seam, like what is that called? It's like a cool style. But anyway, this is really cute. As you guys can see, I have an obsession with brown, so a lot of the stuff is brown themed, but this shirt is so soft. Lastly, I got a puffer coat. I've been really into puffer coats lately, and of course I got a dark brown one, and it's really cute, guys. Okay, so here's the first outfit. I am literally obsessed with these jeans. Oh my gosh, they fit so good. I just can't get enough of them. Like, look how cute they are. And then I actually really like this tank top. I wasn't sure if I would, but it looks so cute, especially with these jeans. And I love the little ties on the side. And I actually like the color. It's a little bit different than what I thought it was gonna be, but I really like it. Okay, and here's the daisy sweater. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with it. Look at it. Like, oh, It would be so cute too, like a white tank top underneath, but I also like it just buttoned up like with these gold necklaces. I think it looks really cute, honestly, with these jeans. Like these jeans go with everything. All right, this is the top. It's literally so soft and it fits so good, and I love how stretchy it is, and I think it just looks really cute. So here's the jacket. I think it fits really good and I like the style of it. I like that it's lightweight, but it still feels really warm. It's a really good dupe for like that North Face jacket that everyone's been wearing because Kendall Jenner wore it. Looks very similar. So SHEIN was kind enough to provide me a coupon code for you guys. If you want an extra 15% off of your order, you can use my code right here on the screen. I will also have it in the description box below. But yeah, make sure you guys go use that because you can get 15% off. Okay, so it's the next day. I forgot to finish this vlog, but I did want to show you guys that it's literally snowing right now. This is so funny. It hasn't snowed at all this year, so I'm really excited. Let's see if it'll focus. But it's snowing buckets right now. Hopefully it sticks so we can go sledding, but we shall see. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me, and if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.